Hello everyone, in this video on operating system, the outline of this video is Introduction to Synchronization, Cooperative Process. We will also look at race condition, what is critical section, and we will also look at what is the critical section problem. So moving on. Now what is synchronization? We will look at the introduction to synchronization. When two or more processes cooperate with each other, their order of execution must be preserved. Otherwise, they can interfere with each other and there will be conflicts in their execution and inappropriate outputs can be produced or generated, right? So if two processes try to execute at the same time and try to interfere with each other or use each other's resources, then it can create a problem. Now we will look at the next point, that is cooperative process. What is a cooperative process? A cooperative process is one which can affect the execution of other process or can be affected by the execution of other process, right? So the process which can affect the execution of other process is called cooperative process. The procedure involved in preserving the appropriate order of execution of cooperative process is known as process synchronization. This is your definition of synchronization. What is synchronization? The procedure involved in preserving the appropriate order of execution of cooperative processes. That is the method of preserving the appropriate order of execution of cooperative processes. It is known as process synchronization, right? Moving on. Now we will look at the next point. What is race condition? A race condition typically occurs when two or more threads, that is child processes, try to read, write and possibly make the decisions based on the memory they are accessing concurrently. Right? They are accessing the memory concurrently and they are present in the memory at the same time. So they try to use each other's resources and try to read, write at the same time, and this can create a problem. Now what is critical section? The regions of a program that try to access shared resources and may cause race conditions are called critical section. Critical section is nothing but a region of a program in which two or more processes try to use the resources of each other and cause problems is called nothing but the critical section. To avoid race condition among the processes, we need to assure that only one process at a time can execute within the critical section. Critical section is nothing but a region of a program that tries to access shared resources and may cause race condition problem. And what you need to understand is only one process should execute in the critical section at one time. Moving on, the critical section problem. Now what is the critical section problem? Critical section is the part of a program which tries to access shared resources. We have already studied that. Resource can be a memory location, data structure, CPU or any input-output device, right? Critical section is a part of a program which tries to access the shared resources. What do we mean by shared resources? The resources which are shared among two or more processes. Resource can be memory location or CPU or any input-output device or a data structure, etc. The critical section cannot be executed by more than one process at the same time. Right? I have already told you this point before that critical section, only one process should execute inside the critical section at a single time. The critical section cannot be executed by more than one process at the same time. The critical section problem is used to design a set of protocols which can ensure that the race condition never occurs, which means the race condition never occurs or the race condition never arises among the processes. We need to provide a solution in such a way that certain conditions can be satisfied. Requirements of synchronization mechanism of cooperative processes such as mutual exclusion, progress, etc. We need to devise such protocols which can ensure that race condition never occurs and in such a way that certain conditions can be satisfied for the requirements of synchronization mechanism of cooperative processes. We will look at these conditions. There are 4 in number: mutual exclusion, progress, bounded waiting and portability. But we will look at these conditions in another video. So if you found the content useful of this video, introduction to synchronization, then please give this video a like and please share this video with your friends and please subscribe to my channel for further continuation of this video series on operating system and other computer science subjects. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care guys.